Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Jama'atul Mubarakah. In today's episode, I will be sharing with us the advice that I came across in an article that is said it was given by the Imam Hanbali, rahimahullah, to his son on his wedding day, because I believe it is rich enough to give us a happy home. And it can also be the missing solution to your toxic relationship or family. The Imam said, "Dear son, you will not attain good fortune in your home except by the 10 characteristics which you show to your wife. So remember them and be enthusiastic in acting upon them. As for the first two, women like attention and they like to be told clearly that they are loved. So don't be stingy in expressing your love for your wife. If you become limited in expressing your love, you will create a barrier of harshness between you and her, and there will be a decrease in affection. Number 3, lady hates a strict overcautious man, yet they seek to use the soft vulnerable one. So use each quality appropriately. This will be more appealing for love and it will bring you peace of mind. Number 4, ladies like from their husbands what their husbands like from them. For example, like kind words, good looks, clean clothes, and a pleasant odor. Therefore, always remain in that state. Indeed, the house is under the sovereignty of the woman, while she remains therein. She feels that she is sitting upon her throne, and that she is the chief of the house. Stay clear of destroying this kingdom of hers, and do not ever attempt to dethrone her. Otherwise, you will be trying to dethrone her sovereignty. A king gets most angry at he who tries to strip him of his authority, even if he portrays to show something else. Number 6, a woman wants to love her husband, but at the same time she does not want to lose her family. So do not put yourself and her family in the same scale, because then her choice will be down to either you or her family. And even if she will remain in anxiety, which will then turn into hatred towards you in your daily life. Number 7, surely women have been created from a calf rib, and this is the secret of her beauty and the secret of the attraction towards her, and this is not defect in her. So if she has, do not rebuke her in a manner in which there is no gentleness, attempting to straighten her. Otherwise, you will simply break her, and her breaking is her divorce. And at the same time, do not let her off upon that mistake. Otherwise, her crookedness will increase, and she will become arrogant with her ego thereafter, and she won't listen to you. So stay in between the two. Number 8, it is in the woman's nature to be ungrateful towards their husbands and to deny favors. If you were to be nice to her for her whole life, but you grieved her just once, she will say to you, "I have never seen any good from you." You know? So don't let this attitude of her makes you dislike her or to run away from her. If you dislike this feature of hers, you will be pleased with some other good habits in her. So create a balance. Number 9, surely there are times when a woman goes through some conditions of bodily weakness and fatigue of mind, such that Allah has relieved her of some of her compulsory worships. During that period, Allah has totally pardoned her from praying and has postponed the day of fasting for her within this break to a later date until she regained her temperament. So, during these days, treat her in a godly manner, just as Allah has relieved her of her duties. You should also lessen your demands and instructions from her during those days. Number 10, you should know that a woman is like a captive to you. Therefore, have mercy upon her. That is the end of the advice. However, whether this above advice was given by Imam Hanbal rahimahullah or not, one thing is certain: applying it in your relationship with your wife won't bring you any harm, but happiness that might lead to success. So my dear brothers and sisters, kindly try this and beautify your home peacefully. We will be stopping here today. Jazakumullahu khairan as you like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Until next week Friday inshallah. Assalamu alaikum